Ladies and gents, my name is Brandon Stover. Welcome to the How to Solve Climate Change course from Plato University. Causes, systems, obstacles, solutions to this global challenge is what you're going to learn here today. When you're ready to learn more skills, join us for free at plato.university. Let's get started with today's lesson. Explain succinctly what alternative cement is from first principles.
Alternative cements, also known as green or low-carbon cements, refer to innovative cementitious materials that serve as substitutes for traditional Portland cement in construction application. These materials often have reduced carbon footprints, either by utilizing different raw materials, incorporating industrial byproducts, or adopting more energy-efficient production processes.
Why does alternative cement help to solve climate change?
Traditional Portland cement production is a major source of carbon dioxide emissions, contributing significantly to global greenhouse gas levels. Alternative cements can significantly reduce these emissions through lower carbon content in their manufacturing process. Some alternative cements use industrial byproducts, such as fly ash and blast furnace slag, which diverts waste materials from landfills and reduces the demand for virgin raw materials. Utilizing alternative production processes, such as using lower kiln temperatures or renewable energy sources, reduces energy consumption and associated greenhouse gas emissions.
Steelman the other side. Why would alternative cement not work to solve climate change?
Some alternative cementitious materials may have limited availability, making it challenging to scale up production to meet the global demand for construction materials. Certain alternative cements may have different durability characteristics compared to traditional Portland cement, leading to potential long-term performance and maintenance issues. The biggest challenge may be resistance from the construction industry and consumers to adopt unfamiliar materials or processes, slowing the widespread adoption of alternative cements.
Who benefits most by implementing alternative cement?
Top of the list is the construction industry. Implementing alternative cements aligns with sustainability goals and enhances the industry's green credentials. Governments and policymakers will also benefit by promoting the use of alternative cements, which supports climate change mitigation and aligns with sustainability objectives. Lastly, reduced carbon emissions and resource conservation benefit communities and the environment by contributing to climate change mitigation and resource efficiency.
Who is harmed most by implementing alternative cement as a solution?
The implementation of alternative cements might impact traditional cement manufacturers, potentially leading to the need for costly transitions or changes in business models. If the shift towards alternative cements results in decreased demand for traditional cement, investors in this sector might face financial losses.
How feasible is alternative cement to implement as a solution?
Technology and research development can impact the feasibility of alternative cement. Continued research and development are necessary to optimize alternative cementitious materials and production processes. Increasing market acceptance and awareness of the benefits of alternative cements will drive their feasibility and implementation. Supportive policies and incentives from governments can accelerate the adoption of alternative cements in the construction industry.
How does alternative cement work as a solution to climate change?
It starts with the utilization of byproducts. Some alternative cements use industrial byproducts, such as fly ash, slag, or rice husk ash, which reduces the demand for virgin raw materials and diverts waste from landfills. Then, alternative cements often require lower kiln temperatures or use different raw materials, resulting in reduced carbon dioxide emissions during production. Alternative cements may involve the use of new production technologies, such as carbon capture and utilization, or adopting renewable energy sources to continue to minimize the carbon footprint.
What is a real-life example of alternative cement being implemented?
One example of alternative cement implementation is the use of fly ash and blast furnace slag as partial replacements for Portland cement in concrete production. This practice has been adopted in various construction projects to reduce the carbon footprint of concrete.
For alternative cement as a solution to work, what innovation or policy needs to be created?
Alternative cement is still new, so continued research into alternative cementitious materials and their performance is crucial for optimizing their properties and application in different construction scenarios. Governments and institutions can promote the use of alternative cements in public projects through sustainable procurement policies that prioritize low-carbon construction materials. Establishing standards and certifications for alternative cements will provide clear guidelines and assurance of their quality and environmental benefits.
Right now, you're speaking to passionate students who want to actually solve problems like these. What top 3 skills should they study so that they actually have the ability to do so?
Start with materials science and engineering. Understanding the composition and behavior of alternative cementitious materials is essential for developing and optimizing these materials for various construction applications. Students should study sustainability concepts and life cycle assessment methodologies to evaluate the environmental impact of alternative cements throughout their life cycle. To promote the adoption of alternative cements, students should develop skills in advocacy, policy development, and collaboration to engage stakeholders, policymakers, and the construction industry.
To practice the C skills, choose a construction or manufacturing project in your area and analyze the environmental benefits of using alternative cement. Discuss energy savings, emissions reduction, and so on.
Thank you for taking the How to Solve Climate Change course. If you want to learn the skills to solve this global challenge, join us for free at plato.university for exclusive content, extra resources, and actionable exercises with every lesson. This course was produced by Plato University, where students turn passions into purpose and learn skills to change the world. Learn more at plato.university.